I wanted to eliminate unnecessary decisions. I didn't want to have to make as many decisions as I was having to make in my business every single time I interacted with somebody. I wanted some of these decisions to happen already, right? The system make the decision, it just happened and it go away. I wanted to reduce steps and save time, right? The only way to save time in a process is to eliminate steps. Adding more steps isn't going to save you time. It's just going to add more time. There is no way to reduce to reduce time it takes to do a thing unless you eliminate steps. And so I also wanted to eliminate unnecessary touch points, meaning I didn't want to have to keep calling clients because I missed information. I didn't want to have to keep messaging people unnecessarily. I only wanted to have a meaningful touch points at the right time with clients when necessary. Does that make sense? Like those were things that were really important for me to eliminate because I was spending a lot of time in Messenger, having Messenger conversations, just gathering information that if I had a better form, a better intake process, I could have eliminated that, right? If I had talked to the person and asked some qualifying questions, I could have eliminated that. So that was really important to me in the development of a process. And then I wanted to automate as much as possible.